Hi guys, welcome back. This is Shrikant. Last session we have created login and the name is test. Okay, so login, as I mentioned, login is a server level concept and I can see that login in a server. Okay, so let's try to understand the property of this login. When I click on the server role, I can see how many role has been assigned to this login. So I can see only one role is assigned to this login and which is public. What does it mean? That whenever I create any login, the default role assigned to that particular login is a public role. And let's click on the mapping section where I can see to this login how many databases has been assigned. Okay, so what does it mean? So whenever I assign any login to any database, that time user will be created of that particular name. Okay, I can see here no database has been assigned to this user. Okay, great. Let's click on OK. I'm just going inside the database section. I'm just clicking on any random database test, for example, and I'm just refreshing it and seeing there is not any user which name is test, right? So what I'm going to do here, I'm double clicking on the on this test and going to the properties of this. So here there is a section called as a user mapping. So I am trying to map this login to this database 1. Okay, so now what I did, I have mapped the one login to a database 1 and just clicking on OK. My intention is to see this test login that is the user in the database, and the name itself is a database 1. Let's refresh this user and now we'll see the test user has been created for this database. Okay, now let's try to connect to the another instance of this same server. Let's say test is user. I'm giving his password as a 123. Just click on it, connect. Now I can see it has been connected to the server. New instance has been created and going to the database 1. And first of all, let's see, am I able to go inside any database? I can see the database adventure is not accessible because I have only given access to database 1, not other databases, right? You can check other ones. You can also click on the tables, right? But when you click on the table, you can't see here any object, any table, right? So you may have a question, is really there is a table? So you can just come to the server level login, SA login, and see there are table section, and in table section we can see a few tables there, right? So why I'm not seeing this table inside that? Because we haven't granted permission to this user to see the database object. So what we have to do, we have to just go to the login section, there our user, and we need to assign the roles to that particular database. If I am assigning, so basically there are a lot of roles. We'll talk about this role in the next video. For now I'm just giving permission to this database. I'm assigning one role called as a DB owner. So if I assign this DB owner role to any user, basically, so that user will be having the control on all activity. He can do anything with that database. He can modify, select, or he can edit the data. Okay, just click on OK. Now come here, refresh the server and come to here database section, then database 1, and when I click on the table, I will be able to see all the table inside the table section, right? So in this way I can create a login, then I can create a user, and then I can have the permission inside that, right? We'll talk about more in role specific in next video. Thanks for watching.